Welcome back. David here for episode, I believe, 68. Can you believe it? Out of 122. Smart money to blockchain freedom. Welcome, everybody. So let's go and see what the markets are up to. Today is a Sunday. We are the 16th of November 2025. And let's see what's happening. CoinMarketCap is a great place to come and see the markets. This lists the top 10,000 cryptocurrencies, and you can have a look at the moment. Bitcoin, yes, number one. Ethereum, number two. Tether is a stable coin. It stays at $1. It's a great coin to send to people because you always know what you're getting. If you send $1,000, you get $1,000. You got XRP, BNB, Solana. There's another stable coin called USDC. It also stays at $1. So I always talk about dollar cost averaging. What does it mean? It just means you buy a little bit each month over a 3 to 5 year period. And let's go and have a look at the project I'm promoting. I am promoting Apertum blockchain, and the Apertum blockchain sits as a tier 1 subnet of the Avalanche blockchain. And if you want to get some more details, you can just scroll down. And here you can find out what is Apertum. So the great thing is it was launched only in February this year. So we're like 8 months old. And we've got our own decentralized exchange. We're super fast because we are a tier 1, layer 1 blockchain in the Avalanche ecosystem. So it's all about high performance, scalability, and long-term sustainability. Easy to develop on, cheaper than Ethereum, very fast, as you can see here. Over 4,500 transactions per second. And we've got quite a big growing community already, over 50,000 active on-chain members. And we've got a fixed supply of 2.1 billion Apertum. We've also got a halving model similar to Bitcoin. So halving model, we've also got a burning model. Super fast because we are a layer 1 blockchain on the Avalanche ecosystem, and cheap for developers. So we do have a dApp, which is a decentralized application that actually runs on the Apertum blockchain, which is quite cool. Also, we are ranked 651 out of 9,211 active cryptocurrencies, which is quite impressive after 8 months. And we got quite a good community score on the right here of 82%. So let's dive a bit deeper into our dApp, our decentralized application that runs on the Apertum blockchain. Let's have a look. But just remember this price, right? Because at the moment we're sitting at 45 cents. Okay. And that is very exciting because where is this project going to be in the next year? Where's it going to be in the next 5 years, 3 years? Because at the moment, when you get more on-chain members, it's going to be supply and demand. More people are going to use the blockchain. More coins are going to be burnt. And it's a very, very good ecosystem. So very exciting about the project's future. Yes, put it in your high-risk portfolio. Don't invest money you cannot afford to lose. But my recommendation would be dollar cost average into this coin as much as possible. And how can you do that? You can do that simply through our products. So I'm going to come into our store. We actually do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 products to choose from. Starts at $200 and goes all the way up to 70,000 USDT. So you can pick one that's best for your cash flow. And for this example, we could click on the $1,000 tier membership. You do get a 2-in-1 product. You actually get a trading bot, I should say, that trades on your behalf, AI technology. It is a 12-month contract. You could always come and have a look at the terms and conditions. It's a 12-month license. And you've got a projection here. If I change the pair to a USDT, because I prefer more of a volatile coin and a stable coin rather than 2 volatile coins. You can choose your risk strategy. So I'm going to choose that one. So here you can see the potential rewards over a year, which is pretty impressive. And then the big kicker is the BitX Live product, which is all you're doing is you are hodling your tokens Okay. And you are putting it in a wallet for 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 years. What I mean is you're basically putting your coins away for a period of time. And by doing that, you are actually getting the BitX Live token. So if you did it for 1 year, you would get a bonus of 87,000. 2 years, you get 262,000. 3 years, 737,000. And for a 4 year period, you're getting over 1.6 million. Okay. And as you can see, if you did 4 years, you can see your estimation of rewards is 30,000 USDT, which is quite impressive, right? If you actually just work out what you put into the project, because you got the purchase price, then you got 1,000. You actually do put in the smart trader, but you do get that back at the end of the 12 months. And yeah, all you're doing is you're holding your APTM tokens. The good thing about the smart trader is it actually accumulates APTM tokens, which you want to do. You want to dollar cost into the project, and you want to get as many of these coins as possible, because where is this price going to be 3 to 5 years time? So I would suggest grab yourself a product, pick one, grab yourself a product, load some capital into the trade, into the smart trader, stake some of your coins, and you can also buy the coins directly through our DEX. You just come through here. You can go DEX, and you can just simply swap your USDT for, say, if I wanted to do, say, 500 USDT, and you can swap it into the Pertum token. And that's how you can actually create, get the Pertum token to stake into the BitX Live. So awesome. What I'm going to actually do now is, well, I'm going to show you a little video that explains this as well in a bit more detail. Enjoy the video, and I will see you back tomorrow for episode 69, I believe. Thank you.
Okay, what we're going to do is have a real quick look at our membership tiers that are available between DAO 1 and the BitX exchange. Of course, we start with our Pertum. We're able to stake that in the BitX exchange for 1 to 4 years. From there, we earn the BitX token. Now from that, there are two very distinct things that we can do for it. We can sell it at the current market value, which is short term. Yes, we get some money right now. Or we can put it into the fees pool and have it start working for us, have it start producing passive rewards. This is, of course, what the wealthy do with their money to increase their wealth. The next thing we do, we need to look at the Pertum supply. If we are staking now a Pertum on the BitX exchange, it is clearly going to be locked. So what happens when a new member comes to the market? They then have to purchase from the Pertum supply because there's currently no miners available. This does two things. It puts pressure on supply, meaning there's less of it, and it puts demand onto it. So it means that the price is likely to increase because of these actions. Now overall, if we look at the top, this is our rewards. This is how we benefit from this structure. Now below, if when new members are coming in, the Pertum supply is down, the demand is up, the price goes up. This is community impact. This is good for everybody. And of course, overall, it creates stronger systems all around. If you want to know more about this, then get back in touch with the person who invited you to watch this video.
Awesome. So thank you for today, and we'll catch you tomorrow. Thank you, and bye-bye.